Struggling to get Apple CarPlay working on your Audi Q5? Let's get your iPhone synced to the MMI system in just a few steps. Before we dive into the settings, make sure you are using a certified Apple Lightning cable, as cheap third-party cords often fail to carry data. Start by ensuring your iPhone has Siri enabled, as CarPlay requires it to function properly within the Audi interface. Follow these 3 steps to handshake your device with the Audi MMI system. Keep in mind that wireless functionality is limited to newer Audi Q5 models, while older units strictly require a wired connection. If it still won't connect, our data shows a faulty cable is the culprit more than half the time. If you're still stuck, try these advanced troubleshooting steps to clear out any lingering software conflicts. You should now have full access to your apps and navigation. Drive safe and enjoy the premium connectivity in your Audi Q5.